Just try to learn concept. Okay. My voice is clear or hello? My voice is clear?
Yes.
Okay,
That's clear.
okay, okay. Sometime I think you are sleeping, guys.
No, we just mute so that anything we're doing at the end here, you won't feel it or you won't hear it. That's why.
Oh, so just I'm taking 3 routers. Or I will take here in this router, I will take a serial link. You know what happen? If I will take normal link here, sometime on router 2, it doesn't work. So that's why I'm taking serial link because only in packet tracer this is problem. That's why. So for serial link, first I have to let me review this thing. Yeah. First what I will do, I will switch off this router. Then I will use this HVIC 2T and then turn on. Same thing I will do on all routers. Zoom in, this close, sorry, turn off, add and turn on. Same here. Okay. Now I will see this connection, serial cable. So you can take for anyone. 2 serial cable is there, DC, DT. But in real life, there is a different use of serial cable. But right nowadays, you will not see anywhere serial cable. In rare case, you will see. Like old network is running, so you will see this kind of cable. New upgraded data center they don't use, but which data center is they are working from long time and they didn't change too much in the data center, so you will find there. Okay, let me take some switches. Normal switches, it is just plug and play. Where is the switch? Sorry, yeah, this one. So this 2950, this is just plug and play, unmanageable switch. We don't need to manage this kind of switch. Okay, I think it's better. Now I will take PCs or laptop, whatever you want, you can take. So PC I am taking. So 0, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, like this. Once you will understand here, so I will try to show you in GNS3 also. But first need to understand the concept, just concept, how ACL is working. Don't try to memorize I am where I am implementing, why I am, just try to understand why I am implementing. Because here I have a task to control my traffic flow. Okay, now automatic table we can take, no problem. And this is very common thing you will find in every router access list. Okay. So we are doing today number standard access list. Numbered. Standard means 1 to 99. Range would be 1 to 99. It's just a identification, nothing else. This 1 to 99. This 1 to 99 number will tell me this is my standard access list. So I can choose any number between 1 to 99. Okay, so here I will take 10 network, 10.0.0.0/8. Here I will take 20.0.0.0/8. If you are guys not able to perform lab, okay, you are facing trouble, you can ask me, and you have to join regularly. It doesn't matter. If you are joining regularly, because you have to crack interview, but regularly you have to join. /8. Here you can take 20.0.2. Basically, I make like this topology. I just change subnet mask, nothing else. Okay. Now this link is my default gateway. It would be according to this PCs, this LAN area. So here I will take 192.168.1.0/24. PC0 I will give IV 192.168.1.1. 192.168.1.2. Okay. And here this is a default gateway. So it would be 192.168.1.100. I think we'd have done same topology before also. It's not new thing for you. Same IP, no, not same IP, different IP. Okay, default gateway, we have to provide F0/0 and 3.100. Okay, let's configure PC first. I will configure statically because it is not too much PCs there. So 192.168.1.1 default gateway is 1.100. Yeah, that's it. You can see this information. PC0 IP address, subnet mask, then default gateway, right? Let me hide this thing. Okay. Same I will do in PC1. This process I will do first now, okay? Because you already aware about it. One 192.168.1.100. Okay, last one. PC4. 1.4. Okay. First I will configure all PCs. Whatever I have PCs, I will configure it. 192.168.2.1. Gateway should be 192.168.2.100 PC5 dot 2.2 192.168.2.100 PC3 last this last oh sorry dial up 192.168.3.1 dot 3.100 192.168.3.2. Okay, yeah, so I configured my PC right now, PC and default gateway on only on PC. Only this thing I have done right now. Switch is unmanageable, so we don't need to configure the switches. So I will configure now my routers, basic IP. So basic IP also you know how to configure it. Just change host name also because otherwise it can give us confusion. Okay, router 1. Then interface S0/1/0. 10.0.0.1. Something is mistake. And subnet mask /8. Then no shut. Exit interface F0/0. This is default gateway. Even you can write, description also here. Like description default gateway. So what is the benefit of this description? Let me show you. I wrote just a command here, description default gateway. So if I will do show IP interface brief, so here it is not showing, but in real router, it will show here description option. But let's see, I didn't shut down that interface. No shut. How I know? I have seen here, both were down. So that's why I didn't use no shutdown command.
Oh, okay.
That's why I can use, yeah, here no shutdown
Hmm.
command. Let's see again, show IP interface brief. See, it's showing up now.
Up, up.
Okay, so show interface. This is new command F0/0. So description, can you see description here? Default gateway. It's showing about my interface. This interface is reserved for default gateway. So it would be little easier when someone will see, he will understand, okay, 1.100 is default gateway. Show IP interface. No, sorry, show interface description also. You can use command if it is work here. Sorry.
S
Yeah. What is the spelling of description? The right spelling.
DESCRY.
Yeah, here it is not. It is not there in real router, but you will find show IP interface brief
Yes.
description. Yeah, it is not here.
Okay.
So only you can check by show interface command. If you run this command show interface, so it will tell you individually that interface. Okay, it will show you what is the MAC address, hardware address of interface every router. Suppose that router has 3 interface, okay, 3 port or 3 interface. So 3 port has different MAC address. Always remember, if I have 3 ports, so 3 port has different MAC address. It is showing me what is the capacity MTO of my link, what is the bandwidth of my link, delay, reliability, TX load, and here it's showing me ARP timeout. That means ARP entry will remove after 4 hours. And last time it activate 0.08 second. Okay, 8 second. It will change. Now it will change because if I will do again show interface, okay, I think it's some mistake here. So no problem. But in real router, it will change. Okay. So you can find out last input when I used this interface last time, what was the output of last time this interface. And it is showing me what is the my media type is RJ45. So we shouldn't go for deep this command. Same thing I will do on this router R2, just normal basic IP configuration. So just make it a habit to give description which interface you are looking like it is unique, because uh, in real environment you will find lot of description there about interface.
It's the RJ45 that I show you is the cable that goes to the computer, right?
No, on this router it's showing
Yeah.
RJ45 is connected to this one F0/0 here.
Oh,
RJ45 is for cable, not cable type. It's your connector type.
okay.
Yeah, it's your connector type, not cable. Basically, this thing, right? You can see here. This one. See, one light is also blinking here, green. Actually, I cannot believe on this light, but it will show you which link is up. Green light is blinking.
Okay. So what you're saying now is that where the cable is connected to is the RJ45 or the cable himself
This connector, this thing,
is the RJ45.
yeah,
Okay.
port type is RJ40 type 5. If you will check on Google,
Yeah, but there's RJ45 cable, right? No, nothing like that.
no. Cable type is your the one is serial link, one is uh wait. Cable type is your fast Ethernet.
Okay.
Connector, which you put in connector.
Is the RJ45.
Yeah,
Okay.
RJ45 connector. This thing,
Okay.
this thing.
Okay. 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 Gotcha.
You will find like steel, lot of things like steel, plastic, this connector. This is the tool, crimping tool, crimp tool.
Yeah. Yeah.
tool.
Okay.
So this connector type is RJ45. Cable can be anything. Cable can be like fast Ethernet, gigabit Ethernet, or
Mm.
your serial you will not find easily, but it can be serial. Serial has a different connector. We can check. Let's see on router 2 first. Let me assign IP there. Okay. Okay. Interface S0/1/1. Oh, sorry. Okay, no shut. Interface F0/0. Now I will, okay, what I did, interface spelling is wrong. IP address, then 192.168.2.100. Subnet mask is /24, no shut, then description. It is my default gateway. Exit. Let's see about serial interface. What is the connector type there? Show interface S0/1/0. So it should show there. What is the media type? Can anyone see media type here?
GCT. What do you say?
I don't think so. Here is any media type,
No.
right? But you can check. Serial cable connector. Serial cable is old cable, so you can find many connector. This what we say DB49. These are different model. Sorry, DB9 R232 port. This one. This thing, yeah, right. This is USB to serial, and one more thing here, RJ45 to serial. Image is not there. Okay, yeah, it is here. Yeah, this is the connector type DB9 for serial port. It's very cheap. It's around $2. Yeah, it's around $2 connector. Okay, so this is the connector type DB9, and there is male female also connector if you have both serial. Both connector is DB9. So basically you will find, I will tell you which connector lot of the time. If it would be there, so that's great. Otherwise, yeah, this connector. Okay, this thing you will see RJ45 to DB9. Or okay,
Oh.
you will find in your real life. But
Yeah,
nowadays,
that is the one that is the one I use if I want to
okay,
connect to the switch or firewall.
okay, yeah. Sometimes we use for console also this connector. Sometimes we use for console also this connector. So nowadays technology is going every day by day, going like you will find a lot of thing. Just remove RJ45 USB type C. See, this is USB and RJ45. This was very old. I don't know now it use or not. But this thing is very use. This thing is using now. Not this. Yeah, this thing. This USB to DB9. But in old data center, you will find this. Old or new also. It's according to your device, what your device support. Sometimes device doesn't support new cable. Okay, last router. I forgot my topic was access list. Host name, router 3. Okay, name. Host name is router 3. Then, sorry, interface S0/0. address 20.0.0. And the no shutdown. Interface F0/0. IP address 192.168.3.100. We can use console cable here also, but for that I need a laptop then. We can connect console cable here also. Suppose that I am using here a laptop, but I have to connect by switch. I cannot connect it directly to the router. That is the problem in SGNS. Oh, sorry, packet tracer. So this is the console cable. So where I should put? Let me put like this and console. So like this you can connect, or you can see it will show you laptop also now. Okay. Yes, see, laptop is connected here with your switch via console cable. So you will sit here, you will work here, then this device will work. So which device you want to access, you will use this console cable via your laptop. Okay. So just I showed you because it is not a, it doesn't work better here. So I'm removing it. Okay. So let's see access list now. Maybe I completed. One thing I forgot here, description. So no problem. You can add in your lab. Okay, so let's see what is the task I have. First I have to connect this topology because right now it cannot communicate with each other. Means what I mean, if you will try to ping 1.1 to 3.1, it will not ping. Remove this thing and just try to ping 192.168.3.1. So it will not ping. This is a problem here. Okay. So we need a routing protocol to ping it. So I'm just using to connecting my topology routing protocol E- EIGRP. Okay, because EIGRP is easy to use and implement. So I will use EIGRP default. Oh, okay. So what I will take router EIGRP 100, then network 0.0.0.0, then no auto summary. Yeah, that's it. And exit. Not exit, just it's a on all router. On all routers. Okay, so let's use this thing on all router. So it will make my work easy. Router EIGRP 100 network, then no auto support. Yeah, that's it. Same on router 2, 100 network,
You want to
no auto.
show
So that's so router EIGRP 100. No to summary you can, oh sorry, you can write anywhere. It doesn't matter sequence number. Okay, so it's connected. How I know? Because I can see these messages here. It's showing my neighbor messages. So show IP, EIGRP, neighbors. So it's showing me I have neighbor. So this message also will tell you your neighborship is built. Okay, so let's try again. Ping 3.1. See, it started pinging, right? Only one packet lost. This packet. This packet lost because of ARP. It was searching IP address. Can you see any? Can you listen any sound noise behind me?
Like something is making noise.
Yeah. Dog bark.
Yes, it's been like that since yesterday.
Really? Let me
Yeah,
just do it some.
I've been hearing that since yesterday. I don't know who's having a dog.
Now it's better, right?
Yeah,
Yeah. It's my dog is.
is he your dog?
Yeah, it's better. Headache. Oh my god. Even my focus is also, disturbed when he barks.
Hmm. Okay, he's been barking since yesterday.
Yeah, yesterday same time he's barking. Okay,
Mhm.
now access list we will apply because we have done IP configuration. We use
Yeah,
EIGRP for my routing protocol. Now I will use access list standard. Okay, so let's apply. If I will tell you syntax, so you will get confused. So first, what is my task now? First, I have to deny traffic, deny the host 192.168.1.1. This host I have to deny
Hmm.
communicating with 192.168.2.0 to this network. Okay,
Mind the host, no matter-
wait, I will give you time for reading. Just let me write. Then deny the host 192.168.1.2. Same, communicating with this network. Then third step is deny the network 192.168.2.0 communicating with 2.0. Okay. The last task permit all the traffic. So you have four tasks here, right? First you have task deny the host 1.1 should not be communicate 192.168.2.0 network. This host 1.2, that's mean this one. Okay, 1.1 and 1.2 It should not be communicate to this network 2.0. So 2.0, we have how many network? Sorry, how many PC? 1 and 2. Okay. Let me know, did you get this thing, these two lines or not? Just read it. Every single step I will take very carefully here. Did you get these two lines or not?
Yeah. The 9168 one. Yeah. 168.2.
So what is the basic meaning of this line? First line, number 1. Deny the host 192.168.1.1.
Yeah, you want the host to deny communication with
For the
192.168.2.0,
yeah, and same thing,
right?
it's here.
The
Yeah,
same
right.
thing the other one, yes.
And here you can see network. When you see network, so always remember, they are talking more than one host. Network means whole network, means everything. If there is 10 PC, if there is 20 PC, it doesn't matter. Network will tell you whole network means all PC. So this all PC should be denied to 2.0. So only two PC will work, 1.3 and 1.4, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, this concept is very. And why I will permit all the traffic, what happen in ACL if you put any deny statement. So it will deny everything. Even it will deny your normal traffic also. Okay, your this statement, three statement will not work if you will not use permit in the end. I use deny, okay? So my all traffic will block. If whenever I will not give permit statement, that is implicit deny. Implicit deny. I don't know spelling is right or wrong. Let me check. Nowadays, I don't know what happening with my grammar.
L-I, not L-E.
Yeah,
Yeah, it
implicit.
happens. We all made mistakes.
Yeah, implicit deny. It means all deny. Sorry. So if you will give any deny permission, so you have to give permission also. Because by default in Cisco router, implicit deny. Implicit deny means once you will put deny command, so all the traffic will deny whenever you will not put permit.
Okay.
Suppose that I just use for this deny, okay?
Mm.
But
Mhm.
because of this implicit deny, it will deny my all traffic, all topology traffic,
Mm.
all traffic. It doesn't matter. If I will put permit statement after that, okay, I am putting permit then it will deny only this thing. That is, you can say, feature of Cisco or bug of Cisco. I don't know what we can say, but this is a, like, you can say, feature in Cisco. Okay, right now I cannot remember any, like, use of this implicit deny. Okay, let's try to do it. So let me use my pen also here. Okay, no, 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 no. Okay, so basically now what we have to do, why I'm focusing too much, this 1.1 and this 1.2, right? It should not be communicate to this network, whole network 2.0, and this one also, right? And same thing, 3.0 should not be communicate to 2.0. So only this will work for 2.0. Okay. Okay, just try to apply first. Okay. Now I have to find router. On which router I can put ACL. That is the main thing. Where I will put this ACL. I can put on 1. There is lot of router. I can put on 2. I can put on 3. But always remember, in standard ACL, I said anything about standard ACL, where I have to put ACL. Any small
No.
thing? Really?
Well, you
You said
didn't
what? Come
mention.
again with your question?
Near
Okay.
to something.
What was your question, Ashish?
I said anything told you about like where you have to put ACL, standard ACL? Because you know, right now, you have to deny these
Mhm.
two PCs and this whole network, they cannot communicate to this 2.0, right?
Mhm.
Yes.
This thing you understood?
Mhm. Yeah.
But here is 3 router. So that is my question, where I will put ACL.
You put it on
But
the top one.
we'll put it on the middle.
Why in middle?
I think easily it could be able to communicate the both under the other servers.
Yeah, so we
Even if
have
it's,
to put near to destination. Standard ACL, we put near to closest to destination.
oh, you mentioned yesterday.
Yeah,
Yes, you mentioned yesterday that it has to be closer to the destination.
yeah. This only standard ACL.
Mm-hmm.
We have put closest to the destination. So how I will identify my destination? Okay. So how you are checking? This 1.1 cannot communicate to this network. Okay. So this is my source. This source 1.1 should not be communicate to 2.0. This is destination. 3.0, this is my source, should not be communicate 2.0. Like that, I found this destination. Because every statement is saying you it should not be communicate to 2.0. See there. See in the here 2.0. This thing. Every statement is saying it should not be communicate to 2.0. That means 2.0 is my destination. Because everything is saying it should not be communicate to this network. Okay, so I will put on router too. This thing is completed. I will put here. Okay, I will give you different topology to do this work. Okay, I got this router now. But ACL has one more thing. Uh, let's talk later about that thing. Let's make a statement first. So, what is the method of making ACL enable configure T, and then you have to go on your destination router, which is I according to my statement this is router 2. Okay, then what I will do here, I will make a statement access list 10. This is just a number, access list number. You can use, see, 1 to 99 is presenting IP standard access list, right? 100
Okay.
to 1 to 99 is presenting extended access list. I will put 10.
Hmm.
1 to 99, I can put anything. You can take 1 also, 12 also, whatever you want. I'm just taking 10.
That's because you are using standards.
Yeah. Then next step, deny. So what I have to deny? Deny the host this 1.1. Just see here and put there. So I will write here deny. And I will write here
192.
host because this is a single PC.
Okay. Okay.
For single PC, you can write host. Okay.
But what about if you put the IP there?
If I will put IP here
Yeah.
192.168.1.1, right?
That's one. Yeah.
Then I have to describe my wildcard mask 0.0.0.0.
Okay. All right. All right.
Both statement is correct.
Okay. 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 So you could use deny or you could use hosts.
Yeah. If I will write here host, only host. So then I will give only IP here, like this.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Host is presenting like single PC.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's put this statement. First statement is this one. Then second statement I have, I think that was 1 or 2. Deny the host, this one. Okay.
Hmm.
So I will write access list 10. Now I am not writing host. I will not write host because I want to know different method. I will write deny 192.168.1.2. I didn't put host here, so I have to put now wildcard mask. Oh wait, I think it's battery low. So now I am putting I didn't write here host, so I have to put here wildcard mask
Podcast.
for
Okay.
single IP address.
Hmm.
So this is the wildcard mask for single IP address. 0.0.0.0 means you can just reverse off subnet mask 255.255.255. Okay, that's why I put. Then one more statement was there. Deny the network. Now I have to deny network. So access list 10 deny 192.168. What was the network? 3.0, right? You can check it again if you forget. Yeah, this network I have to
Yes.
deny.
0.0.0.
No. Now wildcard mask according to this network.
The
This is slash
okay.
24. So
Oh, okay. 255. 0.25.
yeah,
255. Okay.
by single PC, by default, in wildcard mask, it takes slash 32. That's why I'm writing here 0.0.0.0, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
For single PC, if I'm using wildcard mask, for single PC, like suppose at 192.168.1.1, it says it is slash 32. So if I will reverse this slash 32 in wildcard, so it would be like this. That's why I put 00 there. For single PC, it says slash 32 is your subnet mask. Okay. So let's make a statement again. Okay, yeah. So I denied. Okay. Now I have to give a permit statement also. Access list, tan, permit. Then it's it's saying for single host or any source. Yeah, any source. Any. Any source can. Only this statement should be applied. Okay. And other source can ping. Only which statement I made, they shouldn't communicate. Otherwise, every source can communicate, right? This is the meaning of permit any. Okay. Now statement is done, but it will not work. Right now, if I will try to ping 2.0, ping 192.168, 2.1. So it will ping easily. See, it's starting ping. So it can ping easily. So what is the reason of my making ACL? It's pinging. You know what happened here? We just made, just a statement. We just made this statement. We didn't apply anywhere. It is not affecting my traffic. So where I will apply? On the interface, right? Now it is a problem where you will implement, because I have three interface S0/1/0, 1 by 1, F0/. Three interface I have to apply this statement. First, you have to understand what is your in direction, what is your out direction. Okay, wait. If you understand this thing, so you can understand firewall thing also very easily. Because firewall also same thing, but little command different. Okay, according to your router, what is your source? This is your source, right? This is my
Yes.
source. This is my destination. So if traffic is coming like this, so that is in for my router, right? If
Mhm.
traffic is coming from here, it is in for my router. Okay. Traffic is coming like this, it is in, right?
Yeah.
If traffic is going from here, that is out direction,
Ouch.
because traffic is out. So I will not affect my in traffic. I will not affect my in traffic. Because why I will not affect? Suppose that uh, let it give you example. If it will ping, okay. If I will put in, suppose that I put ACL, I made this statement and I put in indirection here, okay, indirection.
Mhm.
This thing, like any traffic will come and it will deny. So yeah, it is right statement. If any traffic will come, it will not enter. This traffic will come, it will not enter. But what about this? If it will come, it will also deny this thing, because you are putting in indirection. Okay, let's try to put first in indirection. What result we are getting? Okay, then see. Sometime we should do practical. Okay, I am putting in indirection. So how I will put out interface? So I will go in interface F0/0. And yeah, one more thing. Simply, I cannot put here in or out direction. This one. Why? Because if I will put here ACL, so it will deny my all traffic. So just for some time leave this thing. We cannot put on this interface right now. In or out, because communication will break like this. This communication will also break. Okay, only F0/0 I have. So I will put in direction first on F0/0. Okay, wait for some. So interface F0/0. Oh, my thing interface spelling is wrong. IP access group. You can write same 10 and in which direction. I'm putting in. I said my ACL should be apply in direction. Okay, let's try to ping
Sorry,
1.12.
sorry, Ashish.
Yeah.
Now, on that place, you have option on in and out, right?
Here.
So, what about if you decide to choose out?
That's why I'm showing you.
Yeah, because the reason I'm saying so, because you said is the traffic is coming
Hmm.
from, we have two interfaces there. We have the FA0/0 and
Mhm.
we have the FA0/1. So the traffic is coming from this left, is, I don't know if it's left from your side or the other side, yeah, where you asked the other side, yeah. So, and you said this other computer, this other side is the out traffic. So, I mean, and you said it should be the out traffic so that I do not disturb other traffic that is, so that I wouldn't block other traffic that is coming in. So my question is, when you choose in, we know there's going to be problem you choosing in. What about if
Uh,
we choose out?
if you will choose out, so it will not be problem.
Okay.
Out
Okay.
is the correct. I know out is the correct.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, just I am trying to show you if I will put in the in, so what problem I will face.
Okay. Okay. I
Yeah,
understand now.
out is right because it will not affect anything. Because
Okay.
if anything coming by source, so it will easily enter.
Okay.
But
Yeah, I understand.
when it will block, when it will go outside.
Okay.
But if I will put in, so it will block here. This PC will not get anything.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see what is the effect of in. Okay, I already put in. So I will try to ping 1.1 to 2.1. Okay, so let's open this PC and let's see to ping. It's not affecting anymore. And 2.2. Okay, if I will try to ping 2.1 to 1.1. Ping 192.168.1.1. Nothing is going there. It's not affecting anything.
Mm.
Okay, let's try to do 3.1 to 2.1. Let's see anything will happen here. See, it can easily ping. It's not a problem here. Nothing is, my ACL is not working. Everything is working fine. So what is the use of ACL now? Why? Because I put in direction. Actually, it's something is wrong here on Cisco packet tracer. It should be blocked there, but it's not blocking if I'm putting in direction. Traffic is coming at it It easily it easily can go to 2.1 and easily can come. It's not any problem here if I'm putting in indirection. Traffic is coming from 3.1 and easily it can come and it can go. Why it is not looking my statement? I can check it. I will check why it's not filtering my traffic. Because I put in indirection, right? So I will check show access list. So it's showing me 10, 20, 30 match. Yeah, 19 packet matches. Just see my last statement. Permit any. I permitted any. Any traffic can come. Only this host should be denied. But my ACL is not working if I put in indirection. Let me try to put out. Let me remove it. In real router, it will not work. It will show packet decline. Okay. Here it is showing pinging, but in real router, it will not show like this. Let me remove this first. No IP access group 10. Okay, sorry, in. Okay, let's make another interface F0/0. IP access group 10 out. Now out direction traffic. Let's try to ping 1.1 to 2.1. Can you see now? Destination host unreachable. This thing I wanted to check. When I put in out direction, now it's showing me destination host unreachable. So now my ACL is working fine. I will try 1.2. I made one statement for 1.2 also. Okay. It should not be ping to 2.1. 192, 168.2.1, right? 2.1 or 2.2?
Dot one. No, dot two. You did dot one the other time, right?
Wait. It's not pinging.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Okay. Let's see. It should be ping because I didn't make any statement for 1.3. It should ping. If it is not pinging, again my ACL is wrong. Okay, it's ping. So only this 2 user is not allowed. This 2 user is allowed. Here I blocked whole network. So 3.1 will not ping to 2.1. See, destination host and receiver. So only this 2 host is allowed to ping. Ping or anything, any services. Because standard access list block every service. So only this 2 PC is allowed. Otherwise, everything is blocked. Can 2.1 is ping to 1.1? We can check. Ping 192.168.1.1. This is the problem, standard access list. If it will not ping. Request timeout. Request timeout. One more time. Request timeout. That's it. I think 4 packet. One more time. Okay, so this is the problem. 2.1 also cannot ping to 1.1 and 1.2. This is the problem of this standard
Let's see.
access. I blocked this PC, right? It cannot ping to this. I made access list. This 2 PC cannot ping to this 2.0 network. But this PC 2.1 also cannot ping. So it should, it is wrong, because I want to make a traffic, I want to make a filter. They cannot ping, but it can ping, right? So we will cover this thing in extended. So first, just let's think about basic concept right now. First, you have to see what is your source and destination. First, you have to think what is your source and destination. Then you have to identify your in or out traffic. It's looking easy right now, but if you will find yourself, you will confuse where is in, where is out. That time, what you will think, no, if I will give you different topology, you will not understand this thing. You will forget.
Hmm.
So I have to block first. This 2 PC should not be pinged to this whole network. Second thing, I have to make this 3.0 should not be pinged to this network. Okay. So you have to identify, like you have to make a scenario in your mind. Okay. Then you have to find your router. First, your router, which is your router near to destination. So source, always remember which thing you are denying, that is source. That is the basic thing. So we are denying this PC, this is my source, that means. So destination is this one, this network 2.0. So what is the near place to this router? Sorry, near place of this network, this router. So I will make access list here. This thing I have clear, right? We don't have problem in this thing. But interface, which interface? Okay, sorry, I was checking message. So I know this access list I have to make on this router. I have to make in this router. Now I have to see if traffic will come. You have to think about like this. Just think. Traffic will come to this router. For this interface, it is in. This interface is also in. If traffic is coming to this router, if traffic is going to here, that is also in. If I will put ACL on this interface, okay, in direction. So what will happen? Actually, let me show you no good way. There is a simulation. I put already ACL. So let's see how my packet is working. Okay. So I hope this will give you no good. Uh, okay. Start. Okay. See this packet. Ah, this is not the. Sorry, this is different. Real time simulation. I will put packet by myself. This is packet. I will take packet. I will put one here. and I will put 1 here, right? Let's see what will happen. So it is in progress here. ICMP means ping. Okay, why it is not going? Okay, let me put it again back here. Oh man, it is still in the real time. It's showing ping is failed. Okay, because I made ACL there. That's why it's showing. Let me try 1.12.3.1. Oh my god, within a second it said successful. That's not a good. Within a second it said successful. Let me use simulation. Okay. I want to delete this thing. How it will stop? Okay, packet is going to there on switch, then router to this router. So this is successful packet. It will send again a echo request. Someone is sleeping here.
Someone?
Yeah, someone is sleeping. I can hear snore sound.
All right.
Yeah. Okay, it's not working well. I will show you in GNS3. It will make you more confuser. It will give you more confusion. Okay, so basic thing you have to remember is which piece, which PC or devices you want to deny. That is your source. Okay, that's it. This thing, basic thing you have to remember. Then choose your router. Then in and out direction. It will take time to understand. If anything in out direction, if anything in out direction, so it will see your statement here when it's coming out. Okay, when it's coming out, it will show here. Okay, we will